Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, man. About a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months by the time this video goes out, I reviewed a night vision monocular. Really cool for looking into the woods and seeing the critters crawling around in there. I enjoy playing with that thing. Well, this is a big upgrade to that. This is the Hydra HS219, also a monocular that is able to see at night. This one adds thermal imaging to the picture. And holy cow, I've been playing with it. I've already had it out of the box and played with it some. Wow is all I can say. It's really, really cool. So let me go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what it comes with. First of all, a nice color manual. Let me get this out of here. And it comes and has a nice protective kind of semi-hard case that goes with it there. And let me open it up. I guess I'll take the accessories out first. It does have like some mounts to put onto your tripod, as well as some mounting hardware like their screws and a couple of tools, and a nice little cleaning thing for the lens. 2 USB-Cs, so it's not in the picture here because currently the batteries are charging, but it comes with 2 18650 batteries and a battery charger and a USB cable to charge it with, and another USB cable because you can transfer and charge directly from the main unit. So 2 of those little tools there. A couple of smaller tools here for doing other things to the main unit, and that's where the batteries were held in. And the main unit is just impressive. The other one I reviewed was a heavier unit and more bulky. This one definitely shows technological advances. It is obviously it's an aluminum case or titanium, I'm not sure. But from here to here is the actual unit, much smaller. And then we have a nice foldable, compressible, so you get good eye contact there. The unit itself is pretty cool, easy setup. It has a power button here on top, and the zoom button for the digital part of the zoom digitally. Some of their more expensive models have all the way up to 12x zoom. And we have our function buttons here. And our record button is here. This has 32 gig of onboard memory, so you can record directly to it. Has a waterproof or semi-waterproof USB-C connection right here for transferring those files over. And it even has, behind this little small metal plate here, it even has a Wi-Fi built into it, so that's kind of cool as well. Now, on this side here, you unscrew this, and this is where our single 18650 goes. It comes with 2. Each one is good for 5.5 hours of use, so it'll cover you through the entire night with what's included in this, which is really nice. Up here on the front, nice lens protector for the main piece, and there are some adjustments here. So we have an adjuster here for zoom, and we have an adjustment here for our eyepiece to clarify that, so that's kind of cool. Taking a look at the manual, and it's DNT Optics Day-Night Technologies from Hydra. Okay, I'll just go through some of this stuff, and then we're going to do the fun part, which is I will put a bunch of recorded video in here showing you some of the stuff we get. We get all kinds of critters on the property. We've got bear, actually quite a few of them, unfortunately. We've got coyotes, fox, we've got raccoons, we've got possums, we've got neighbors' critters, dogs and cats that come through here from time to time. We've got, I've had a bobcat come through here, and of course a variety of other smaller critters, owls and birds and things like that, and chipmunks and squirrels and whatnot. So I look forward to using thermal imaging to better pick those out. So the difference between regular night shot's lighting up the area, but it's a little hard to pick out what you're looking at, especially if it's not moving. With thermal, you're going to look through and you're going to be able to spot the things that are living, and be able to point them out to yourself even when they're not moving. So it makes the acquisition of the object you want to view much easier to do. So I like that about this thermal imaging. Okay, let's see here. So for this model, which again is the HS219, sensor resolution is 256 by 192. It does have a base magnification of 2x. Focal length of the object is 19 millimeter. And it does operate, like I said, 5.5 hours, which is crazy. Only weighs 13 ounces. The other one, I swear, weighed like 2 pounds. It works from -4 all the way to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is nice. And it is IP67 rated. So that's like splash, why does this thing keep turning? I don't understand what's going on with this thing. Well, I'm just going to go with it. I'm sure it'll be cool. It has like splash protection, but you know, and like rain, but I wouldn't want to submerge it, if that makes sense. And then it just gets into all the features and functions. But the fun part, of course, is going to be actually using it, and I can't wait to do that. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pause the camera since it apparently wants to look in that direction anyway. And we'll go ahead and record some footage of it, both during the daytime and at night. Let's do it. All right, so very nice. You can see the heat coming off the trees.